So we're going to do one more problem in linear regression. So if you would click on the 8.7 linear and other regressions paper, then you can come down here and open it. This one has everything that you need, and this is also including the assignment at the very end of the quarter. So this paper will be attached for that as well. But if you go through it to example 3, we have models for SUV sales. The reason why I bring this one to attention is you notice I hand wrote the years. Yeah, it's 1996, but we will represent it in L1 as a 6. And so that's what's going on here. So be careful as you do the homework and quizzes. It says, whenever it says let X equal the number of years since 1990, that will start as your 0 year. So 1990 is 0. That's why 1996 is 6, 1998 is 8, 2000 is 10, and so forth. So that's something you have to be really careful about. So let's go back to the calculator. Okay, I'm going to clear that, go and clear my equation. I'm going to go to stats and edit. Okay, I'm going to move it over to L1 and clear it. And go back over to L2 and clear that. Okay, so I do that each time I do a problem. So I'm going to enter in 6, 8, okay, so I got all my dates in. Okay, now I put in the other one. Excuse my cuckoo clock. It says it's new. 4.2, 4.7, 4.5. I have 4.1, and then the last one is 3.8. Okay. Alright, so now I get to go to my windows because I want to start, it starts at 6, so I don't need to be at -5, so I might just start at 0. And then I go up to 22, and so I might go to 24, and I'm going to count by 2's. Okay, then let's see here, I'm going to do looks like the smallest is 2, so I think I'll start at 0, and it doesn't get any higher than, looks like 4.7. Yeah, 4.7. So I think I'm going to go to 5. It's pretty short distance. Counting by 1's may not be good. Maybe I'll count by 0.5's so I can see things better maybe. Alright, now when I hit graph, I should see all my data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 4, 6. Yep, I see them all. And notice this time it's not really linear. And later on in the quarter, we're going to learn that this is a quadratic equation. So let's just practice a quadratic one because we see that it's not really linear. So now I'm going to fit an equation to that. So I'm going to go to Stat, go over to Calc. And instead of linear regression, I'm going to click on 5, which is quadratic regression. So that's 5. Hit enter twice. Go to vars. Go over to yvars. Function stored in y1. And enter twice. And it comes up with my quadratic equation for A, B, and C. And then I can graph it. So here's the graph. Does a pretty decent job. Almost hits all the points. Okay. And then in the book it says, hey, what about the year 2028 is what it's asking for. So instead of 28, I'm going to put in, 2028, I'm going to put in 28. Okay, so that's my dog. He's mad at me because I haven't taken him out yet. So to do that, I have to go to clear screen and basically go back to vars, go to yvars, go to function. Basically, yep, that's what I want is y1. So I do parentheses 28 and then hit enter. And so I get the 0.99 like they got. Okay, and so that's my answer for that particular problem for SUVs. So basically, it's decreasing a lot. So in the year 2028, not many people are going to be buying SUVs unless they change the gas mileage on them, probably. All right, and that's it.